Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Wednesday, June 23, 2021. And before I get started here, I do want to mention tomorrow after the close, we're going to be hosting an educational webinar about short-term trading. So let me just go over to this registration page. If you go to InvestiQuant.com/webinar, that'll bring up our registration page and you'll be able to come in here, just put in your name and email. And if you register for it, you will be able to attend tomorrow at 4:30 p.m. Eastern Time. So just after the close, we'll be talking about all kinds of different benefits of short-term trading. So this will be a purely educational webinar. So everyone is invited. That'll be tomorrow after the close. You all are welcome to come join us and hopefully learn something new at 4:30 tomorrow after the close. So that is InvestiQuant.com/webinar to register for that event. All right, now let's hop into today's study. You know, we've had a strong week so far. We had a huge day up on Monday, and we got follow through yesterday on Tuesday. Here we are on Wednesday following two strong closes higher, and we're starting to pull back a little bit. So let's see what that has led to historically. Let me go ahead and set this up in Discover using all four instruments. It is going to be based upon getting long at the open of regular trading hours, which is 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, and exiting at the close of regular trading hours, which is 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, currently, we are trading lower in the overnight session. So I'm going to go ahead and add that to this test. I'm going to say that we are gapping down within the prior day range. I've got both of those selected here. And then next, I'm going to go into the price patterns library, and I'm going to say that we have two consecutive higher closes. So that comes from the new highs category, but I'm just going to grab it from active today, which will show you all the things that are true for today. So if I just come down to new highs and look for two higher closes. There it is. Click on that. Added it to the test. You can also see this highlighted, letting you know that it is selected. If I scroll down from our long list of available filters here, you can find it down here towards the bottom, day after two higher closes. All right, next, I'm going to go into the indicators section. I'm going to put us in a similar market environment like I normally do here, above a 10, above a 200-day simple moving average. And then lastly, I'm going to go into the calendar library, and I'm going to say that today is Wednesday. So we're going to be looking at two higher closes going into Wednesday. So Monday, Tuesday was both strong. Here we are on Wednesday, gapping down within the prior day range. All right, that's all I'm looking for here. Now let's go ahead and hit view results. And here we go. These are the results based upon entering the market long at the open of regular trading hours, which is 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, and exiting at the close, which is 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time, when you gap down within the prior session's range after two consecutive higher closes, and today is Wednesday. So that means, you know, Monday, Tuesday, each of those days closed higher. Here we are on Wednesday, gapping down within the prior day range. And this is taking place in a bull market environment, above a 10, above a 200. So this happens fairly regularly. We've got 95 samples here in the S&P, 94 in the NASDAQ, 94 in the Dow, 95 in the Russell. And that's dating back to 2003. If we look at the win rates on those, they are mostly higher. So S&P coming in 60%. NASDAQ a little bit stronger, 64%. The Dow coming in at 66%, the strongest of the group. And the Russell, the weakest of the group, at 57%. So if you look at them as a whole, they are all fairly favored there, somewhere around 60% on average, maybe just a little bit above that. And average win, average loss, looks kind of mixed. You've got the S&P, just slightly larger average loss there. The NASDAQ has a larger average loss. And then for the Dow and for the Russell, average win a little bit larger than the average loss. So if you kind of look at those as a group, they're kind of mixed, kind of even almost for average win to average loss. But the win rates on these, more often than not, have favored the long side. So strength early on in the week has often been continued here on Wednesday again with another at least green candlestick. It doesn't necessarily mean that it closes higher than the prior session, but more often than not, it has closed above the open, and that's what those win rates are referencing. So hopefully you found that helpful. Good luck today, and we will see you next time.